Hey, welcome back. And everyone is saying this time is very boring. I don't know what to do. I don't have any work. Always this cold does just sweat all of us out and all those bullshit. That's why here I am putting this Road Rash 1996 by Electronic Arts. And you want anything thrilling, you want to keep yourself engaged and you want to rock and roll, come to this place. This is the exact spot. Okay. And then later don't cry pack and all that that this is being very boring. I don't have any work to do and all those nonsense. So here Road Rash 1996 by Electronic Arts. Let's get started. So here let me go to the restroom, load my game, and you got what I said, right? Okay, so yeah, let me continue from here. Milwaukee John, welcome back, John. So here I'm going to open the file and I'm going to go through the bulletin board. And today I'll be doing Napa Valley 70.0 kilometers, level 3. And here it's like where the tourists visit. Let's kill it and nail it! I kick this fellow out. Simply waving flag like that. Oh, so here I'm the 11th place. Hey, City! Hey! Hey! Come here! Oh, you finally got your bike back now. Happy? I told you don't race. Simply, you don't know how to fight. At least do some kung fu. They'll do now. Hoo ha, and all that. Should do some kung fu fighting before coming to road rash. Some karate you should learn. Then only you'll be fit. Otherwise, like this only you'll keep getting trashed and then keep putting bandages. That shit will happen. You will just be wasting your money. Anyways, you're rich, no? Spoiled kid. Hey, Axel! Criminal. This is a tough one. Let me go. I'm in the fourth place. Axel is keeping it tight. This is right around me. So I think yes, he'll make it up to me. Yes, he's already made it up to me. Yes. Now Axel. Oh, this one. Yeah, this one was crazy fight. So try to get as fast as possible before fighting. Otherwise, it's going to be tough. Okay. So yeah, I'm the fourth place. Slim Jim. Oh, I thought. Oh. That one was close. Yeah, let's go. I'm in the first place. I love you when you call me senorita. Hey, don't come on the street. Highway also you want to come in between. I'm singing song here and you are distracting me. I'm continuing. Ronda is behind me. I am in the first place. Now let's see what's gonna happen. Ooh. So yeah, it's this lovely peaceful place. Look at the amount of greenery. This is so nice and peaceful to ride. I'm so glad. Ah. Oh, Ronda lost the track. Jorg. Oh, man. Hey, one more fellow here. No, whoever is coming in the track, no. I will thrash each one of them. No, too smart they're acting. Thinking they can block this road. Na. Oh, Jorg is keeping it close. Yeah, he's gonna make it up. Yes, Jorg. Oh, ah. Let's go. Still need to continue it. This music is loving. Everything is good. Oh, this is so peaceful. I wish I get another ride here. So yeah, always prefer to take the left. That's an advice here, because left takes you faster. Always in all places except one place. Oh, she! Yeah, man, lovely comeback from you, man. These cops. I wish you kicked. I hope you kicked out Ortega. I think some film is there. We should send them. He can do shooting. It'll be lovely for him indeed. Ortega, the new policeman. Then full like one. You know, no, shooting how they'll be. Police and all. Like that. One cooling glass, one suit, this thing, and one pose. Ortega ga. Let's continue. It's not done yet. So yeah, as I was saying, left is the better place. It will take you quickly, except in one place in the Pacific Highway. After I cross the second part of the ocean, there you need to take a right. And here I went. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you this Saturday.